Every business has different needs on how they customize their CRM database. With many CRM applications, programming skills are required. Soffront's visual tools, with their powerful drag-and-drop feature, allow you to design data entry forms customizing the database behind the scenes. Watch how to customize without programming in this video. Here's an example of the leads form that we can modify. Let's say you wanted to add a new field to indicate what product the prospect is interested in. You simply click the plus button to add a new field, enter a name and a label, and then write in a description. Next, you can select what type of field it should be from the variety of options you see here, such as text. You can also select what kind of field attributes that you want. You can choose by simply clicking a box, whether it's a required field, an email address, or even a calculation field where there's a calculation behind that field. Again, you can do all of your form design without programming. Next, you can easily move your text field with Soffront's drag and drop feature. Then you can use the Field Alignment tool to align and size your field boxes quickly so they are all aligned and sized to match. Isn't this easy? Now let's say you wanted to change it from a text field to a list field. Double-click the field and update the type of field from the drop-down menu. Select List, then select the Value List button. Here you can create your list items. For now, let's define one as Product 1 and the other as Product 2. Click Strict, and then these will be shown in the drop-down menu in the field of what you'd like to be shown in the list view. If you want to preview the changes you just made, click the Preview form and now you can see exactly what it's going to look like. See how the List drop-down menu shows Product 1 and Product 2 to choose between? Now let's create another field. Click the plus button to bring up the field definition page. I enter in the name Notes and label it the same for my new field. Next, I enter in a description of the field. Then I select the type of field I want to create. I have many different types of fields to choose from. In this case, we're creating a notes box, so we want room for lots of text, and so I select long text from the list of the types of fields I can create. Now this long text field appears on my form, so I can move it around and resize it to fit and be exactly where I want it. I can move it easily with the drag and drop feature in Soffront's Form Designer. Notice how I'm not limited to just a 2-column format. I can move the notes over to the right, making my form 3 columns. I make sure to save my changes before I go to view it in preview mode. In preview mode, I can see my form again with the new changes. You can see how the right side of the form has plenty of room for detailed notes. My form is complete now and I can begin using it. If I change my mind, I can easily delete the Notes field and then the Product field. I could design something entirely different or use the form as it currently exists. Soffront's Form Designer brings powerful drag-and-drop tools so that you don't have to be a programmer to customize your forms. We make it easy for you to customize your CRM to fit your business. Drag and drop makes Soffront Forms Designer easy and simple to use for anyone. Most importantly, you get the powerful feature of extending your CRM database with a visual tool.